It's recommended to clean the device on a daily basis. First, remove the ear dome. Clean the surface of the dome using the cleaning brush. Then clean the inner side of the dome using the metal ring on the end of the brush. Don't forget to clean the wax guard on the tip of the receiver as well. After you finish cleaning, put the dome back on. Make sure to fully insert the dome to the end of the receiver.
Finally, don't forget to keep your hearing amplifier in the drying jar every night to help keep the device dry for optimal performance.